everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. Oh my gosh, last unboxing for the year. This is from Hippie Crafter. They contacted me and asked me to choose something from their site, and so this is what I chose. Hippie Crafter. That's so funny, my dad always called me the hippie mom. I could cry. 24 colors mica powder. They're vibrant, pearlescent pigments. Highly concentrated. Create beautiful epoxy resin, paint, candles, soaps, bath bombs, slime, and more. Okay. Okay, these all came wrapped in a plastic, but they don't have any type of sealer on the top of the... Oh, I'm so sorry. This one's burnt umber. Okay. Try to show you in the lid as well. Oh, so pretty. This is wine. Sorry. Oh, man. So shimmery and sparkly. Oh, I can't wait to use these. This one is yellow oxide. Yellow ochre, sorry. I put my glasses on, I can see. Oh, that's so pretty. This one is robin's egg blue. If you put any kind of force on these lids, like squeezing wise, they will not open. There's the robin's egg blue. This one is pure red. And if you know anything about mica powders, a pure red is difficult to come by. You'll get a pinky red, an orangey red, but a real red, oh. And this is actually the one I used on the Merry Christmas, the red one. Oh, it's so pretty. And then, wow. Just reading glasses, okay? Mind you. Carolina blue. Not what I would have come up with that without my glasses. Oh, I can tell already how sparkly it is. Man, that is just stunning. Ah, man. Okay, you know I gotta do it. You know I gotta. God, the oldest old lady hands in the world. Man, it's pretty. So sparkly. Okay, sea green. Light blue. It's definitely a light blue. Okay, granite. I am so sorry. First of all, when I said granite, what went through my mind was a kind of gray color. It says graphite. Orange red. Sorry about that. Orange red. Really pretty. I'm thinking pumpkins already. Okay. Light yellow. Pretty. Lilac. Oh, that is mesmerizing. Rose. This is the one that leaked the most, looks like. That is so sparkly. Like I said, I'm not a pink, but I'm just gonna say it. Maybe I am. Okay, this one is the silk white. Ooh. Almost no sparkle or glitter at all, but it's really shimmery. It has nothing to do with anything, but it may not be stirred up. Teal. if I'm any indication. Grass green. Phthalo blue. Oh. Okay, this one is orange yellow. Oh. Man. Oh, I can't wait to use some of these. These are so pretty. But I can see the mica just flying everywhere. Okay, this one is silver gray. Really pretty. Pastel purple. Ooh, I'm not sure how pastel that is, but pretty. You get those lids cross-threaded, and you'll be in trouble. Scarlet. Ooh, that's that really pretty, almost salmon-y kind of color. Silver black. I'm maybe gonna try that one last. Brilliant blue. Oh, boy, appropriate name. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, this one is Fuchsia. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, now this silver black. Oh, so glad I waited till last. Okay. Sorry. My hands look ancient, I realize they're really not. They are every color under the sun. So, it's so funny. Hippie crafter. My dad always called me the hippie mom. Makes me want to cry right now, but hippie crafter. These are super, super fun. I can't wait to try them. The colors look very different from what I've already got. So, yeah, these should be fun. Dog hair. Everywhere. Dog hair. Okay, I can see on this lid right here, the black, the orange, the silver. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hippie Crafter, I'll leave the links down below. Coupon code, whatever, in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe. I've got an Amazon shop I get a little kickback from. The rest of my social media links are also in the description box. Bye for now. Sorry. Let me show the label again. Hippie